Now, let's start today your new chapter, self practice 15, that about data handling. Okay, so you will write data handling. So there are some terms which you have to memorize it. Okay, here are some terms which you have to memorize it. First term is data. So what is data? The collection of particular type of information in the form of numerical figures is called set of data. What is data? Collection of figures, na? Collection of numbers, collection of figures, or collection of any particular things. Then the set of data obtained in the original form is called raw data. Suppose there are 50 students, you have been told to bring different fruits. So when you will keep just collecting all together, so it will be in ungrouped manner, means some here, some there. So when you will make it in a collection, that ungrouped data is said to be as raw data. Okay. Each numerical figure in the set of data is called an observation. Third point, what is observation? Each numerical figure in the set of data. Suppose I have said apple, so there are 10 apples. So means number of apples in a group are 10. If I talk about number of bananas, so number of bananas in one group are 20. So this is some particular number of figures I am showing, that is said to be as a data or observation. Then what is array? It is very difficult to draw any inference from this raw set of data, so we arrange in ascending or descending order. When you arrange in ascending or descending order any data, then it is said to be as raw data. Then it is said to be as array. Suppose you have gone to market. There are 20 students. They have gone to market to purchase the shoes. Each student will have different number on their shoes. So when we take all together the number of shoes, suppose 5 number 4 have bought, 3 number 2 have bought, like this it is now. So when we complete one observation, we see that all the data are being given in one figure, that is said to be as a ray. Then last comes range. What is range? The difference between the highest number and the lowest number. What is the range? The difference between the highest number and the lowest number. That is your range. Then comes frequency. What is frequency? The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. What is frequency? The number of times a particular observation occurs is called a frequency. Okay. So this is about the data. Now, last comes arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is what? Mean is sum of observation upon number of observation. Mean is sum of observation upon number of observation. Okay. What is mean? Sum of observation upon number of observation means total. Suppose 5 numbers are there, so 5 observation you will add it up on the numerator and 5 are there to divide by 5. Okay. So what is mean? Sum of observation upon number of observation. Then your exercise will start. Okay. Let's start self practice 15A. Question number 1. So now see what is there in question number 1. Ria obtained the following scores out of 100 in a vocabulary test. How much she is scoring? She is scoring out of 100 in a vocabulary test. So you see how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 numbers are given, means 6 observations are there. So you have to find mean score. So here what will be the mean? Number of sum of observation upon number of observation. Number of observation. Now, when you are adding all, what you will get? 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 71 plus 16 plus 100, and you will divide all this by 6. Okay, because how many observations are there? 6. Now you add 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. And 10, 48.
48.
upon 6, which is equal to 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6. So what will be the mean score of this observation? You will get it as 81. So your 81 will be the mean observation of this question. Let's do question number 2. Raman's last 6 batting score were 138, 144, 155, 142, 167 and 172. What was his mean score? Then question number 2, what you have to find? Mean score. So what you will have? A sum of scores upon number of observation. So in how many matches the scores are given? It is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So upon 6, and you will add all the numbers. 138 plus 144 plus 155 plus 142 plus 167 plus 172. Okay, these are your scores. So you have to firstly add all the scores. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 26 plus 2, 28. Carry 2. 5, 4, 9, 9, 5, 14, 18, 24, 24 plus 7, 31. Carry 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 918 upon 6. 6 ones are 6. 31. 6 fives are 30 and 18. 6 threes are 18. So what is the mean score here? That is 153. So what you have to find? You have to find mean score here. So firstly you will do sum of scores. So you will get it as 918 and number of observation are 6. So 918 upon 6, that will be equal to 153. That is the total score. That is the mean score of this observations. We will do question number 3. Third A part. First one is first 5 natural number. You have to find the mean of first 5 natural number. What are natural number? Counting numbers. Counting numbers. So what are natural number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural numbers. Now, what will be the mean of it? Mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 5. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 upon 5, that is equal to 3. The mean of first 5 natural number is 3. Correct? Now, so what is your second part? You will see the second part of it. whole numbers. What is in the second B part? First 7 whole numbers. So 7 whole numbers, what are there? Whole number starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is its mean? 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Upon 7. So 15 plus 6, 21 upon 7, that is equal to 3. So what is the mean of first 7 whole number? That is also equal to 3. Now see third C part. Question number third C part. Mean of first 4 prime number. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is its mean? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon 4. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 upon 4, that is 4, 4 is 16, 4.25 will be the mean. Okay, what will be the mean here? 4.25. Now see the D part of it. You have to find the amount given there in rupees 17, rupees 19, rupees 21, rupees 43 and rupees 17. What will be the mean of this? 17 plus 19 plus 31 plus 43 plus 17 upon 5. Okay, upon 5. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7, 9, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Carry 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 180 upon 5. So 5, 3 is 15. 5, 6 is 30. So how much will be the mean? Your mean will be 36. Okay?
मैं satisfied.
अच्छा here. So you will get 170 na? 34 will come na? See question number 4. So what is there in question number 4? Megha worked 2.5 hours on Monday, 3 1/4 hours on Tuesday and 2 3/4 hours on Wednesday. What is the mean number of working hours on these 3 days? So mean working hours of 3 days. So what it will be? 3 days is equal to 2 1/2 plus 3 1/4 plus 2 3/4 upon 3. So you will have 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5/2. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13/4 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11/4. Okay, upon 3. Now you see you will get 10 plus 13 plus 11 upon 4 into 3, that is 12. You will have 3 1 4 and 1 2 3 34 upon 12, that is 12 2s are 24. You can reduce it also here. 17 by 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 whole 5/6 hours. How much it will be? 2 whole 5/6 hours a day. This is the working time. Let's do question number 5. Shikha sat for 6th test and Bharti sat for Okay, their percentage scores where they are given, who has the higher mean score. What you have to find? You have to find the higher score, whether Bharti is getting or Shikha. Okay, so you will find Shikha mean score. So what it will be? 68 plus 75 plus 70 plus 45 plus 55 plus 77 upon total how many are there? 6. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 5 23 and 23 plus 7 30. Carry 3. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 7 23, 27, 27 plus 5 32 and 32 plus 7 39. 390 by 6. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 5 are 30. So what is the mean score here? 65 of Shikha. Now Bharti mean score you have to find. So Bharti
दोनों लोग मोबाइल लेके भेजिएगा
you have found the Shikha mean score. Now you have to find Bharti mean score. So what is Bharti mean score? So first you find the mean, means 52 plus 87 plus 64 plus 53 plus 74 plus 81 plus 86 upon their total how many subjects are there? 7 subjects. So you will find for all the 7 subjects. Okay. Now 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 and plus 6 27. Carry 2. 5 plus 2 7, 8 15, 15 plus 6 21, 26, 26 plus 7 33, 33 plus 8 41, 41 plus 8 49. 497 upon 7 which is equal to 71. Now from here both you can see whose performance is better in the test? Bharti performance. So Bharti mean score is more than Shikha. Bharti mean score is more than Shikha by what you will do? You will subtract 71 minus 65, that is 6. So how much it is more? It is 6% more. Okay. Let's do question number 6. Find the mean of first 10 odd natural numbers. So what are odd numbers? Odd numbers. You are having 2 types of numbers, na odd numbers and even number. So what are the odd numbers? Can anyone say what are odd numbers?
The number which are not divided by 2.
The numbers which are not divisible by
The number which are not divisible by 2 is called odd number.
Okay. The number which are not divisible by
Number that cannot be
Like odd number.
3, 5,
2 is called the odd number.
7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19.
It's
Total
10
10
million.
numbers are there. Now what will be the mean of this? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 and it should be divided by 10. 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25, 25 plus 11 36, 36, 49, 64, 64, 74, 81, 90, 100. which is 100 upon 10. So what is the mean of this? 10. So mean of first 10 odd natural numbers is 10. Okay. Mean of first odd numbers are 10. So you will get this odd natural numbers are 10. So what will be the mean here? 10.